So here we are, back at the German Home Depot with Liliana, the choreographer and producer of this piece, and she's gonna pick the wood. It's nothing, please be serious. That's all the set. We're gonna get some paper, but that's the set. Chains and screws and some wood. It looks a bit like Casey Neistat painted it, but good enough. From the distance, nobody will notice. Video projections on stage are often used to tell a story, which is a pity because you have all those actors to tell the story. So why not enhance the space? Why not give your stage a landscape like this? Well, there are certain rules that apply to creating a landscape on the stage. So let's talk about that for a second. One of the main things to consider is the relation of the sizes. So your actors, how small are they in relation to what's behind them? So is something really close? Are you projecting an ambient, like a room or some enclosure for your actors, or do you have a wide horizon behind them? The main reason is if things are really close and big and life-sized on stage, then you're starting to tell the story about your background. People start to have a relation to the background, and you're telling the story about the background and the people in front. Keep things low detail and small if they're not important to the story. Most times they're not important if you're projecting them. So this guy actually took the job seriously and came with equipment. Check out his YouTube channel. It's
Media.
If on the other side the content you want to project is something more peculiar, like this snoring cliff, as it's called, next to the city of Elend, which actually translates to misery. It's next to the city Sorrow. So if something like this rock that inspired Goethe to his Walpurgis night in Faust, the big German drama, is part of your decoration, then maybe go into detail and project the details and go more like, well, if you're going too precise, then maybe it doesn't correlate with the ambiguity of theater. So don't be too naturalistic.